Hi there, welcome to my channel. I created this short video to share some tips on adding colour to chocolate. There are many coloured chocolates readily available, but if you're only stuck with the available white, milk or dark chocolate, there are dyes that can help you create the chosen colours that you want. When colouring chocolate, you need to look out for oil-based colour dyes. These dyes are compatible with chocolate since it's got a high butter content. Gel colours, which are water-based, are not meant for chocolate. They can cause your chocolate to seize and curdle, and then your chocolate is not salvageable. Gel colours are meant for royal icing, meringues and buttercream. You can use the oil-based colours the same way as gel colours. Adding more intensifies the colour and less for lighter colours. You can achieve black easily by adding it dark chocolate. Simply use by dipping your toothpick into your dye and then adding it to your melted chocolate. Avoid double dipping your used toothpick as this can contaminate your dyes. Even if you have coloured chocolate at hand, these dyes can help you achieve the right shade of, say, pink or yellow that you might need for a project. Anyway, that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. Please be sure to subscribe and I hope to see you again soon. Thanks so much for watching.